Hello, let me show you how we can attach strap into your Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So first of all, we have to focus on these two parts. Let me just catch focus. There we go. Right here on the left side and the right side, we can find small holes. And inside these holes, we have to input this part. So I'm gonna actually put it like that. First, we have to start from this one. Take a look like that. Gently, and right now when you get your this small button, you will have to move into this side and then put it a little bit lower, and now release. If it is not working, just repeat. Take a look. That's how it actually looks. You have to be sure that for the first you put it on the left side and then just move it to the right side, so you'll be able to attach it or deattach, just like this. So yeah, that will be all.